Using PPTO on the Walmart app is a convenient way to manage your paid time off as a Walmart associate. To get started, open the Walmart app on your mobile device and sign in with your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Me tab at the bottom of the screen and select PPTO from the menu. Here you will see an overview of your available PPTO balance, including the number of hours you have accrued and any upcoming requests. To request time off, select the Request PPTO option and choose the type of time off you are requesting, such as vacation or sick leave. Next, select the dates you are requesting off and the number of hours you need. You can also add a note to provide additional context for your request once you have filled out the request form. Submit it for approval. You can track the status of your request in the PPTO section of the app. If your request is approved, you will see a confirmation message and the time off will be deducted from your available balance. If your request is denied, you will receive a notification with the reason for the denial. It is a good idea to regularly check your PPTO balance and request time off in advance to ensure you have enough hours available. You can also use the app to view your PPTO history and see how many hours you have used in the past. Best practices for using PPTO on the Walmart app include making requests well in advance, keeping track of your balance, and being mindful of company policies and blackout dates. By following these steps and tips, you can easily manage your paid time off using the Walmart app.